Let's design a space. Every client is different, so is every design. For every design process, we believe in trying to understand the client's requirements, their likings and inclinations, and we work on refining them so that it suits the space in the best possible way. So in today's video, let's have a look at how we have designed this 2 BHK apartment of area 1230 square feet in prestige Falcon City, Bengaluru. The main door leads us to the foyer. So the wall opposite to the main door is where we have housed the shoe rack. So instead of proposing the entire wall to be a stone cladded wall, only a portion of it is a stone cladded wall, abutting to which is a tall unit, and next to it is a cedar. The combination is kept in a very subtle grey and a subtle beige. Now, of course, having a decorative mirror is a big plus in this area. Now the foyer leads us to the living area. So while designing, we've kept this entire design aspect in two parts. One is the TV unit wall and the wall opposite to the TV unit. So for the TV unit, we have a false wall on which we have a stone cladded, and we have just a simple bottom unit which houses drawers and a ledge on top. All the wires will be concealed behind the stone cladded wall. The wall opposite to this TV unit is the accent wall of our living room. So we have a bronze mirror panel attached onto the sofa wall, and we've given a very light green color. This living room opens out to the dining area, wherein there is a puja unit, and the walls have been kept base white. It has simple 2-drawer below, and the shutters have a CNC design instead of a traditional glass shutter. Opposite to this is a simple crockery unit with a combination of open and closed unit on top, and there is a drawer and shutter unit below. Now, since living and dining is one open area visually, the living has a longer rectangular space, so there are 2 drop ceilings to which there are horizontal rafters connected, and the dining has a simple cove ceiling. The kitchen has a parallel layout. Onto the right hand side is the chimney area. Cabinets are proposed below wall unit, and there is a loft running end to end. So this again is a combination of beautiful black currant, and we've continued the color of beige in the kitchen as well. There are 2 simple lift tops for the wall unit, a small open area proposed just below the wall unit. The wall opposite to the chimney side is where the microwave is housed on the wall unit, and in the below cabinet we have a just simple shutter and 2 wicker baskets, next to which is a washing machine. Now, getting into the master bedroom, the idea was to have a lot of nautical colors into it. So instead of typically proposing an obvious nautical theme, we've just used up the colors, which is blue, white and shades of brown. The brown is used here so that the blue and white actually looks much more beautiful and brighter. So the wall has simple 3 frames mount, and it has a small niche opening. Onto the left hand side of the cot is where the wardrobe is. It's a 5-door wardrobe with the loft running full length, and it has a combination like mentioned in white, blue and brown to just enhance the aesthetics of white and blue. Onto the right hand side of the cot is where there is a dresser. There is storage behind the mirror and there are 2 drawer storages below. Now the wall opposite to the cot is where there is the study table. The study table has 2 parts, the wall unit and the base unit. Wall unit has a combination of open and closed areas, and the base unit has a simple drawer and shutter. To add more openness, the false ceiling has been kept white and it is a simple border false ceiling. Now the kids' bedroom has a dedicated area for the cupboard as per the layout. So the feature wall of the kids' bedroom has a bright yellow with a cot and side table on either sides, and there is a simple mirror mount on the wall for the dresser. Now onto the left hand side of the cot is where there is a window, and next to it is the space allocated for the cupboard. The wardrobe has 4 shutters which is of a stark grey, and we've also given 2 external drawers which is in the shade green, and the loft is also kept green so that there is a pop of color element. This room, unlike the master bedroom, has the false ceiling dropping down from the main existing ceiling. So this was a very simple minimalistic house with pop of colors here and there that we designed. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you.